Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Poppy's Vlogs guys. So ngayon guys ay magluluto tayo ng masarap na barbecue guys. Actually we just be liempo and salt on it guys. And that's the basic barbecue recipe that we have. Ayaw namin yung may mga sauce. As much as possible gumagawa kami ng simpleng recipe. Karne lang, then na liempo, and then a little bit of salt. That's it guys. That's already good for supper. And our weather is 30 degrees guys. As you can see guys, napakagandang weather natin. It's sunny guys, and it's not that windy. So it's a good time to have our barbecue guys. At ang natin guys ay ito. Ang liempo, tapos nilagyan na ng misis ng asin. So that's already ready for barbecue. Ang problema, hindi pa natin nainit ang grill natin. So we're going to warm up our grill. So I just need to get this ready. Dito muna i-adjust natin, and then we're going to turn it on. Here, nag-on kagad siya. Yan. So madali lang 2 minutes guys. So what I'm going to do, i-close muna natin. We'll wait for it to be on 300, around 300, 400, and you know, we already start our grill. So mabilis lang yan guys. And while waiting for our liempo guys, I'm just going to show you my apple tree guys. See, this is my apple tree. As you can see, there's a lot of apples guys. Ang dami naman i-harvest. So what we're planning is, if we have these apples, I'm going to make an apple jam. I already had this in my previous vlogs. Apple jam, or we can make an apple pie out of it guys. So ang dami yung apple, nakikita nyo naman, sobrang dami. Sobrang dami guys. Kung pwede lang ipadala sa Pilipinas guys, ginawa ko na guys. Kasi nga sobrang dami ng apples guys. And take note guys, this is just only one tree. We have this other tree. Actually it's alternate guys. Pag madaming apples dito, itong year, ito less. O kaya may time din naman na dalawa sila na madaming fruits guys. So halimbawa itong year, itong 2 apple trees, madami silang fruits. Next year naman guys, ito lang, and then ito hindi masyado. And then a year after, both na naman sila madaming fruits guys. So that's how it is guys. Yan. And these are pergola. Ginagamit natin guys pagka magandang weather, or pag sabi natin may bisita. So we can put the curtain down, and then may bubong yun sa taas. So you can just slide it, and then dito tayo nagtatambay guys. And then meron din tayo dun duyan. So that's our duyan guys. So me and my son, we usually relax there pagka wala akong work. And this is the charcoal barbecue guys. So nagba-barbecue din tayo dyan. The last time we already used it, kasi kakuha lang namin to just this year, kasi masarap din minsan pag charcoal. But I told my wife, okay, we'll do propane this time kasi I'm working tonight. So sabi ko, we'll just use the gas, and then we can eat dun sa taas, dyan sa may deck, in deck guys. So I'm planning to put the chairs upstairs, then we'll just have our supper there para maiba naman guys. So let's check our barbecue, how hot it is. Okay, hindi ba masyadong mainit guys. Sige, a few minutes later, mag-barbecue na tayo guys. Okay, so mainit na guys sa ating grill. I'm just going to lower our fire para hindi po masunog ang ating liempo guys. And then, dito na, going to get our meat. Madami-dami to guys. Siyempre, pag may sobra guys, pwede naming kainin kinabukasan, or we'll mix it up with our vegetable guys. Kasi sayang din naman ang karne. Ayan, ang ating liempo na mukhang bacon guys. Masarap yan guys kasi may taba-taba. Tapos may konting buto. Nahulog yung liempo doon. Konting buto guys. There. Okay. Mamatay naman to sa apoy, guys. Dumihan ng konti. It's okay. Yan. Smells good. Kaya lang guys, if I'm barbecuing liempo, hininaan ko talagang apoy kasi nga dahil sa oil ng pork, lumiliyab yung apoy guys. So, I have to lower it down. Yan ang ating barbecue, which is good for supper. We just came from holidays guys, kaya medyo tinatamad pa yung katawan ko sa trabaho, but you know, that's how it goes. You work hard, then go vacation, then work hard again. That's how it is. So barbecue muna tayong araw guys, para meron tayong pagkain ngayong supper guys. And then last one, kapitbahay namin magkukuha na naman yun. May maamoy naman ng kakaibang amoy kasi kapitbahay namin guys, taga Bangladesh. Hindi naman sila kumakain ng pork, pero I'm sure na maamoy nila tong niluluto ko. But you know, what can we do guys? We need to enjoy our meal. Kaya magluto muna tayo ng masarap na liempo guys. So we'll close this for a few minutes, and then later on I'm going to open it so we can cook the other part of the meat. Okay, we'll see you later guys. We'll see you later guys. Okay guys, let's check the progress of our liempo. Nakikita nyo naman guys, actually biniliktad ko to in few minutes guys, yung isinalang ko, pero ngayon nag-aapoy siya kasi nga yung taba ng ating meat, kaya naglilihab siya. Pag nitong case guys, ang ginagawa ko, binabaliktad-baliktad ko guys kasi ayaw ko masunog ang meat. Actually when I cook liempo or barbecue, ayaw ko yung masyadong luto kasi nawawala yung kanyang pagka-natural na yung may guys, yung hindi siya dry, parang siya yun, hindi siya dry, ibig sabihin may pagka-wet siya. Oh my god! May pagka-wet siya ng konti guys, so gusto natin may moisture sa karne, ayaw natin yung totally dry guys, kaya binabaliktad-baliktad ko guys kung lumalakas ang apoy. Yan ang ginagawa natin guys. Next time mag-barbecue tayo guys sa charcoal, iba din ang lasa pag charcoal guys, mas masarap and mas natural guys. But I'm sure itong unang maluluto guys kasi mas malakas ang apoy dito, kaya lang ibabaliktad-baliktad ko guys, kaya alam ko ma-overcook ito. So ayan ang kaganapan ng ating barbecue grill guys dito sa ating backyard guys. And thank you Lord for the very nice weather guys. Yung grass ko guys, I just cut it when I came from Vegas. Ngayon umahaba-haba na naman guys, so I'm going to cut it again next week. So ayan ang kaganapan sa ating backyard guys. Okay guys, here's our cooked liempo guys. Mukhang masarap guys. Actually guys, when I cook it there, malakas-lakas ang hangin kaya magdali siya mag-apoy. And then when I close it, nag-aapoy pa rin siya guys kasi nga yung oil ng ating taba guys, ayun ang nagpapalakas ng apoy natin. Actually, I even turn off the knob para hindi masunog ang ating liempo. So ang ginawa ko na lang guys, binaliktad-baliktad natin ang ating liempo guys, nang sa ganun guys hindi ito masunog. But hindi naman ito sunog guys, it's just malakas na yung apoy natin, but it didn't get burned kasi we're doing it alternately guys. Itong nakikita nyo ditong parang dark spot, ito kasi yung taba na madaling masunog, pero the meat itself edible yan guys. Masarap pa rin yung kainin guys, and it's not dry. Makikita nyo naman na ang oil ng ating liempo, makikita nyo sa itsura ng ating karne guys. So itong ating barbecue guys, we're done with our barbecue. So ang gagawin ko na lang guys, I'm going to cook some soup. Mayroon tayong ready-made soup guys, and then ipaparis natin sa ating karne guys. So that's it, we're done with our supper guys. dali ang mag-barbecue ng liempo. And then after that, after eating our supper, we're going to clean this up. I can just use a hose to clean our table. Anyway, this is made of plastic. And guys, that's a very short vlog, guys, for our pork barbecue liempo. Until next time, guys, pag nagluto naman tayo dito sa ating charcoal, guys, I'm going to show you guys. Until next time, don't forget to watch my vlog, Poppy's Vlog po. Until next time, don't forget to subscribe, like, and push the notification button for more updates on my vlogs. Until next time, bye-bye, and peace out, guys. Hello, kain tayo. So ito na ating barbecue, guys. Actually, kumakain na ako before having this footage. Sabihan ko si Mrs. na mag-video sa akin, short clip, guys, ng ating barbecue para makita nyo naman na akala nyo nasunog pero hindi actually sunog, guys. So ito ating liempo, and then itong sausawan natin, guys, may suka, pati bawang, pati konting walang paminta. Bawang, pati suka kasi nag-prepare na si Mrs., guys. Kahit ng liempo, sarap. Ngayon pa ako kumakain, tapos may konting kanin. Then kanin natin niluluto pa. Kahit kanin lang, pati liempo, solve na kayo. Okay, next time, don't forget to subscribe my vlog, Poppy's Vlog. Okay, bye bye and peace out.